I got this Arrest My Vest scent spray for my husband's work gear because he is a corrections deputy and that stuff gets stinky. The midnight smell smells pretty manly. I haven't had him complain at all about it smelling curly or anything like that, and he definitely has in the past about scent beads and stuff like that that I've added to our laundry. It says it works on tactical gear, canines, vehicles, and body armor. I have never noticed any weird film or anything like that accumulates after using it. He doesn't wash his vest probably as much as he should, but we do use this at least once a week to every other week. And it does keep it smelling really, really good. You can see the directions say Arrest My Vest works immediately upon contact, apply directly onto materials, equipment, and surfaces, spray generously to ensure the liquid penetrates the source of the odor completely. And I have sprayed his vest and everything very, very liberally, and he has never said that it feels wet the next time he goes to wear it or anything like that. I would definitely recommend it. It is really nice how it comes with two. I don't remember if you get two spray nozzles, but this one's held up great, and this is, I would say, probably about there. And we've had it for at least, no, we got it right around when our youngest daughter was born. So we've had it for about a year, and we're a little over halfway through the first bottle. I would definitely recommend it though. It definitely keeps that gear stink down, and it smells really good. It smells like cologne. So, yep.